What's going on, guys? Today we're fishing at Piedmont Lake. It covers 3 counties, Guernsey, Belmont, and Harrison, but this is going to be part of the Belmont County Series. So we're here and we're gonna start fishing. I've never been here before and I've been a little leery because I'm like, where can I fish at? Like, you know, new spot, same old Kramer there, right? So let's get to it. I probably could get to right here. Got that Guggen bait, spinner bait on there, all white. All white. That's the setup. I don't know. Let's see. Here we go. Nothing else goes right in this trip. We caught some grass, I guess we'll call it. I don't know what it really is. I don't care. But I hope you are enjoying the videos. And I know we have grown a lot. And I really appreciate all the support, all the comments, and all the likes. And I just want to keep growing, so start sharing with your friends. I do know that the fishing videos seem to be doing better than anything else, but hey, it's whatever. I got me a little lily pad. I got a lot of backlog, so I don't know when you'll actually see this. It might actually be cold in Ohio by the time you see this. But I got a backlog of videos, and plus we're still doing the truck and tractor pools. That's kind of starting up and being a thing around my area. Oh my god. Anyways, so fair season is in full swing. That's another thing that does really good is the pools. So there'll be plenty more of them. The only thing that's going to interrupt that is football season. High school football's coming. Not only high school football, but you know, my baby cousin's in the band, so it's not, I don't just go for football. I used to go just for the football. I love football. That's one of the things me and Chris had differences about. He's a truck guy, a truck guy, you know, cars, anything with a motor basically, that's him. He don't like sports. So, and he never understood why I always had to watch the game live and blah blah blah. But, and the going to the fair games, dude, that was a big nightmare. But I don't have to worry about that this year. I mean, he'll probably still complain. I mean, as you know, we're still best friends, besties, growing the channel together. And once we get to being monetization on this channel, we'll start doing content on the other one too. But right now it's down. I took it down. I didn't delete it forever. So if you want me to bring it back up, then just drop a comment. Be like, hey, yeah. Over on that channel it was moto vlogs. There's some of our NHRA trip. What else was there? Him working on his motorcycle. Stuff like that. So if you want to see some of that, or you just want to support us, let me know in the comments, and I'll bring it back to life. It's only one click of a button, so it isn't like it's really hard. I thought about, you know, deleting it forever, but then I'm like, no. Someday we might have a place where we could, you know, do car things. And I can follow him around with a camera while he's working on something. You know what I mean? I mean, because we are besties. We're besties, but we can't, the whole love thing didn't work out. Another thing is, if you like me giving an intro and an outro, drop some likes. I know I've gone away from it for a while, a lot with the truck and tractor pools and that. I like to give you a heads up what's in the video. I mean, pretty much if you read the title, it pretty much tells you. But I've been using AI titles, so sometimes it gets a little wonky. But, oh, the other thing that we'd probably do on the other channel is guns. There is a gun video up right now of Chris and his bro shooting. I don't know if there's any other ones. I don't know. They might be on the other channel. So guns, if you want to see guns and stuff. But yeah, just trying to grow. But I do see what yins like. Yins like the fishing videos, and I don't know why, because half the time I don't even catch anything. And then sometimes yins all make fun of my freaking, what the frick is that called? My titles, because honestly, I just use AI. And the reason why I use AI is because if you use AI, it puts keywords in there that'll get your videos looked at more. Today's gonna be a long day for me. I'm at Piedmont right now, as I said in the intro. I got lots of other stops to get to, because I promised that I would finish Belmont County before it got cold. And we're fast approaching that right now. Even though it's going to be pretty close to 90 today, it is August. And everybody knows that fall and winter weather is coming. But yins will still be watching fishing videos, because that's basically what I do in my free time, is go fishing. So, but I've been going to Bar Camp Dam a lot, just because I ran into some luck over there, and I've been going there a lot and picking off bluegill, which I'm sure you've seen the videos if you're a diehard Kramer Miller fan, I guess. KM Nation, that's what I call you guys, KM Nation. But yeah, I'm trying to hit as many spots today that I can. I mean, I don't know what time it is. It's 11:02 right now, so the odds of catching a fish are probably pretty slim at the moment, but I'm here. I did it just for yins, even if I don't catch anything. And then we'll be off to the next spot. Yeah, I've just been slacking. Like I said, I've been going to Bar Camp a lot, just picking off bluegill. I don't know, it seems cool. I don't always just catch bluegill though. I've caught... Get away from me! I've caught catfish and bass too. It's just not bluegill. Sometimes you just get lucky.